In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated bill reminders in Clio Manage. If you want your clients to receive timely, consistent nudges about outstanding invoices without manual follow-up, this setup will handle it for you in just a few minutes. Start by opening Settings from the left sidebar. This is where all your firm-level preferences live. Next, go to Billing under Clio Settings. Billing is where reminder behavior, schedules, and templates are controlled. Open the Automated Bill Reminders tab. Here you'll see the controls that turn reminders on and define exactly how and when they go out. Under Default Behavior, choose Enable Reminders. This activates reminders for future bills based on the schedule you set here. Decide how recipients are handled. Choose whether to send reminders to all associated bill recipients in one email. If you collaborate with multiple contacts on a matter and want a single consolidated reminder, enable it. If you prefer individual emails to each recipient, leave it off. Set the reminder schedule by entering the number of days after a bill is issued before the first reminder is sent. Think about your payment terms. For example, if invoices are due in 30 days, you might schedule the first reminder at 15 or 20 days to give clients time to act. Choose the reminder frequency so messages repeat until the outstanding balance is paid. Pick an interval that's persistent but respectful. Weekly or bi-weekly are common choices for most firms. Decide how reminders behave for clients on payment plans. Select whether to pause reminders when a client is on an active payment plan, which helps avoid mixed messages while they're paying as agreed. Under Send Replies To, select the user who should receive any client responses. Make sure this inbox is regularly monitored so questions don't sit unanswered. Customize your email content by clicking Edit next to Reminder Message Template. Update the language to match your firm's tone, and make sure the message is clear about next steps for payment. When you're satisfied, click Save Reminders. This applies your settings to automated reminders going forward. Finally, verify your configuration. Confirm that reminders are enabled. Your recipient preference is correct. The schedule and frequency look right. Payment plan behavior is set as intended. The reply to user is accurate, and your template reads well. Thanks for watching.